Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to take you through our new 2019 235 Scout. As you can see right here, it's navy blue with a 250 Yamaha 4-stroke on the back. Let's take a look on the boat. So as you're coming up on the boat, we have a starboard side entry. And then as you look down, we have a tackle station back here. 4 rod holders, two cup holders, and then we have a full bench back here. So this will actually fold out and down. And then you have rod storage on both sides. And then we have rod holders throughout the back. And then here on the port side, we have a live well. Okay? Coming forward, let's take a look at the helm. So we have bolster seats, so they come down, up, however you're comfortable. You can sit on top of it, so you can see above, or you can put it down to get closer to the wheel. Tilt wheel, we have our Garmin touchscreen system. All your switches are forward and easy accessible as you're driving. And then this is a digitally controlled boat. Your ignition, and then you have your Lenco indicator switch, which operates your trim tabs. Then we have that upgraded Fusion stereo system, Bluetooth capable as well as Sirius satellite radio, and a nice storage compartment right here. Up front, let's take a look at this real fast. So you have a 12-volt plug-in, and then you also have 2 USB ports that you can play your music, charge your phone, anything through the boat right here. So let's go forward a little bit more. So as you see, you can see the detail Scout incorporated with this boat, with the nice countertop material they put here, transitioning from the stern to the bow. 2 cup holders, nice area to do a little bit of storage. Then you have your bolster seats up front, where you can put your feet up, hold on to the grab rail, and it's nice, comfortable, soft ride up front. Then you have our front seat, which is nothing but storage underneath. Why don't we take a look at that? So you can treat this as a live well or cooler. You can fill it with ice. You can put your daily catch in there, or you can fill it with your soft drinks and your food for the day. Then underneath both seats here, you have storage on both sides as well. All right, let's come around this way. So this is your access to your head. Look at the size of the head for a 23-foot center console. You can put a porta potty in there, or you can just use it as storage with all your life jackets, whatever you want to put in there, your tackle, maybe a tube, whatever works for you guys. And then coming back, we're going to end with underneath the seat, which is a nice addition to this boat, is your 65 quart Yeti Tundra cooler. It's nice and easy to get to, and it will hold right in place there underneath your home seat. Again, my name is Michael Mara. If you have any questions, give us a call at 609-926-0600, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the water. Have a great day.